Okay, so changing the headlight in a 2007 Honda CRV hopefully will be as easy as this video will show you. This is the power. You have to unhook this first. I did the driver's side first because it's a lot tighter on the driver's side. So just work this back and forth. It should come off. And I mean, you want to kind of take note of how the prongs are going in here so that you're going to hook it back up the exact same way. But it's kind of going to go that way by nature, by the way the cable's formed. Move that out of the way. Next part is going to be fun. We got to get this grommet. This rubber grommet goes all the way around here, seals the moisture out. Got to get this off. And really, this is nothing more than just a patience and working it around. Get that pop off of there. Bingo bongo. All right. Now, this is what we're looking at. You've got a clip that secures the bulb in place, this little metal clip. When you rotate it off of there, you're going to want to make sure you kind of note how, because it's really hard to see, especially on the driver's side, it's really hard to get any eyes in back there to see how it clips in. So just kind of watch it. It slides off and then moves around so it comes off the bulb. You'll see. But it's pretty easy, but you just want to take a note of how it hooks up so that you'll have no problem rehooking it once you get the new bulb in place. All right, so now we're going to feel this little hook. Again, you can see it. I'm probably gonna have my fingers in the way here. I apologize for that, but you push it in towards the front of the car, and you'll feel it kind of release, and it comes out. It just hooks in there like right around that. So there, it's hooked in. Push it in, and it comes loose. You can just set it right over there, and then the bulb will slide right out. There's the old blown bulb. Get rid of that. And kind of take a note that how it was, let's see if I get that back in the camera, how the bulb is, it'd be easier to see from the back side. You've got this little hook, that little hole at the bottom, that goes downward, so that's the way you want to put the new bulb back in. Anyways, slide it back in here, see if I can do this without freaking up the bulb. You'll feel it kind of seat up in there. Once it's seated, get the little hook back around it. And so you're just going to push that back in just like it was when you started. Behind. You'll know because it won't keep springing back loose. And of course, it's giving me a hard time. Let's see, I'm probably lining something up wrong. There we go. The bulb wasn't cut forward all the way yet. All right, now it's sitting in there nice. Got to put the grommet back on.